Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 7 easy microscope experiments that you can do. These are things to look at under a microscope, and these are some awesome examples. Let's get right into this video. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I'm literally just going to talk about the 7 things and what you're basically going to see, so you can choose accordingly depending on what you want to sort of look at, whether you are doing this for students or for your own kids at home or just for your own personal knowledge. These are great things that you can look at under a microscope as experiments, okay? So number 1 is the leaf from a plant. So literally choose any plant, take any leaf and place it under here. Now, as a rule of thumb, you usually use the underlight, but when you are using something like the leaf from a plant, you don't really need to use it. You'll still be able to see perfectly fine. Just make sure your leaf is quite illuminated from just the general light in the room, okay? Number 2, salt and pepper pieces or granules, whatever you want to call them. Put some salt and pepper on a clear piece of glass on here or a clear piece of plastic. Illuminate them from the underside, and you're going to see they look crazy. They look like little rocks when you magnify them. They look fantastic, okay? We're going to keep this short and sweet, like I said, so pay attention. We're going through these rather quickly. Number 3, an onion skin. So literally get the skin from an onion, and I know it might be stinky, but get the skin from an onion and look at it. You're going to be amazed at what it looks like. It looks so cool under a microscope. Number 4, a strand of hair. Now, obviously, you can use human hair or pet hair. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that I'm bald, so I can't use any hair from my head. I got some chest hair. Actually, I got a lot of chest hair that I can use. But you can use a piece of pet hair, or honestly, if you just find a piece of hair on the ground, as gross as it sounds, you can just pick it up and put it under there. It looks really, really cool when you look at it under a microscope. Make sure you illuminate it properly. Number 5, the soil from the garden. So just get a little bit of soil, place it on a clear plastic or clear glass tray, put it in position over here, and look at what it looks like. It looks crazy. And obviously make sure, because it's soil, it's not going to be translucent. Make sure you have a lot of light in the room that is shining down on the soil. It's going to look absolutely awesome, okay? Number 6, a torn up piece of paper. So get a piece of paper, tear it up, place it under there, but you want to specifically look at the torn edge of the paper. It looks amazing because you see all of the tiny little strands and layers and how it looks. It looks like a catastrophe, and it looks so cool, okay? Last but not least is number 7, which is coffee grinds. So get some coffee. Obviously, try to use fresh coffee. Don't use coffee that's already been brewed, although you can, but I mean, it's going to be wet, right? So try and use fresh coffee. Just get a little bit, even just a few little grinds of it. Place it on a clear plastic or clear glass tray into position on there and check it out. It looks absolutely fantastic. That's it. 7 easy microscope experiments, things that you can look at under a microscope. Great examples to use. I kept it short and sweet. I stayed true to my word. And that's truly it. If you like this video, sort of example / tutorial demonstration, explanation, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.